Hi, today in front of you Vivo Y35 and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application, and after that here in the search bar we should enter Ampere. Now we should get this application, that's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. Then tap to open the app, click yes I agree, be close, and tap on the left down corner to OK. Here we can see the information about our device battery temperature. In my case that's 31.6 degrees. Also we can find here more information like the battery capacity, health, voltage, model, Android version, and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.